There are very few people in this world who have left a long lasting impression on fellow beings with their ideologies and perspective in life that still make an impact. One such great person is Mahatma Gandhi, who was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. This year, the world is all geared up to celebrate the Mahatma's 151st birth anniversary. Remembering the leader and his contribution, every year on October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated across the globe. On this day, we pay a tribute to him as he devoted his life to India's independence by using his weapons, non-violence and truth, which means Satya and Ahimsa. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of the Nation. Also sometimes we call him Bapu. In his honor, the UN General Assembly has announced this day as the International Day of Non-Violence on 15 June 2007. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat, Delhi. Our Prime Minister, along with the President of India, gathers to pay the tribute by offering flowers to his Samadhi. Also, his favorite song, Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram, is sung for him. Gandhiji's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born and raised in a Hindu family. His father named Karamchand Gandhi and mother named Putli Bai. Throughout his school days, he remained a shy boy, but he was a good, honest, and a regular student who always stood by truth. He occasionally won prizes and scholarships at the school. One of his terminal reports rated him as a good in English, fair in arithmetic, and weak in geography. His conduct was very good, but handwriting was bad. Gandhiji always believed to carry out the orders of the elders, not to scan them. When Gandhiji grew older, like any other teenagers, he also fell in bad company and picked up few bad deeds from his parents. But his values did not allow these bad habits to linger any longer with him. He realized the mistake and sincerely repented for his bad habits. He confessed to his father by writing a letter to him. This incident made him to devotedly throughout his life obey the values taught by parents. Gandhiji was sent to England to study law. After study, he became lawyer in India. In 1893, he visited to South Africa. During his visit, he saw there was discrimination between white and colored people. He was ill-treated by a British who threw him out of first-class compartment of a train. It was very humiliating experience. He decided to fight against this inhuman color discrimination by British and told Indians that they should not obey British laws that they thought were wrong. He also said they should stay peaceful, no matter how they were punished for their actions. This new method of protest became known as Satyagraha or devotion to truth. That was the reason Gandhiji began protesting, and eventually he became an inspiring hero for millions. The three main qualities that define Gandhiji as a hero are his strong leadership, simplicity, and bravery. Leadership was one of his heroic qualities. One way he demonstrated leadership by encouraging people in his village to start using homespun clothing to make poor people to be self-employed. And on the other way, he ended the issue of discrimination against untouchables. The untouchables are just another word to describe poor, less educated people who really didn't fit in with the middle class people. He abolished untouchability and termed them Harijans. Under the leadership of Gandhiji, many major nationalist movements for independence were led, such as Champaran movement in Bihar in 1917. It was the first Satyagraha movement which gave direction to India's youth and freedom fighters. In 1918, Kheda movement to support peasants of Gujarat. The Khilafat movement in 1919, which reunited Muslims and Hindus for the struggle of independence. The Non-Cooperation movement in 1920 to oppose the Rowlatt Act and the Jallianwala Bagh massacre of 13th April 1919. The Quit India movement in 1942, in which he demanded an end to the British rule in India. Gandhiji made a call to do or die. During this movement, under his leadership, the entire Indian National Congress was imprisoned by the British official without trial. He led all these movements with his weapon of non-violence. He asked Indians to boycott British goods and services and start wearing khadi. These movements took place because Gandhiji showcased many outstanding leadership skills that made him a hero. Simplicity. Simplicity is the second most heroic quality of Gandhiji. He believed in living a simple life with only the necessities that he needed. He was a man of truth. He wrote a book titled The Story of My Experiments with Truth. In his book, he mentioned that he did not want to be known as Gandhi. He did not want everyone worshipping him, and he was just proving that he is an average person like others. He believed that simplicity and truth can make anyone a hero. The third quality of Gandhiji is bravery. He did many brave things such as Dandi March. The Dandi March was an Indian march led by Gandhiji for salt. This was the first act of opposition towards the British and the beginning of the movement to get India's independence. He broke the salt law and was imprisoned for many years. He was brave that he sacrificed himself for his own country. He was a strong believer in non-violence. He showed bravery by doing what he believed was right. He believed that things can be done with love and not war, which definitely results in peace. He was a true hero as he believed in his own principles for many years till he died. On 30th January 1948, he was assassinated in New Delhi by a Hindu extremist, but it only killed his body. His ideas still live in the hearts of people. He was one of the greatest political and social leaders in the 20th century and was admired by many influential people of this day and beyond. Gandhiji inspired many people like Martin Luther King Jr., James Bivey, Nelson Mandela, and many more to follow the path forged by him. So today, on his birthday, let us remember him and celebrate this day with joy and prosperity. His life was an inspiration for all of us. Our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to maintain the cleanliness of our society on this very important day. Schools organize various events that revolve around his great life. Let us contribute ourselves to the growth and development of our country, to pay a salute to nation's father. Do not waste their efforts and struggles by letting India go down. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.